What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. When it comes to beard trimmers, you want an option that balances affordable pricing with quality performance. After extensive research, we've found that the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 offers the best value for money. This versatile trimmer comes packed with useful features without the premium price tag. The main highlight of the Multigroom 3000 is this small, quarter-inch precision trimmer. Its slim profile makes it easy to detail your beard, mustache, and sideburns without irritating your skin. The trimmer's stainless steel blades smoothly cut through thick facial hair for a clean trim every time. Philips is renowned for making high-performing shavers built to last. The Multigroom 3000 maintains this reputation with its durable construction and rust-resistant blades. Plus, the trimmer stays sharp, even after frequent use. When you buy this Philips trimmer, you get a full grooming kit. The box includes 7 trimming combs, 3 hair guards, and 3 detailed trimmer heads. There's also a cleaning brush and storage pouch for easy organization. While the Multigroom 3000 lacks some of the features of Philips' higher-end models, it handles all the beard trimming basics. The trimmer recharges quickly and runs cordless for up to 3 hours. It's even fully washable for simple cleaning. Furthermore, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 3000 has a rechargeable Li-ion battery that can provide over 5 hours of cordless use. That's impressive for a device so compact and light. The Philips Norelco Multigroomers 3000 completely waterproof, which means you can safely rinse it with tap water for easy cleaning. In terms of body and ergonomics, simply put, the Multigroom 3000 is a trimmer with one of the best build qualities. The body is made of brushed aluminum and feels very solid and premium. The use of aluminum is surprising, given the reasonable price. For the same money, you'll usually get a plastic build with questionable durability. For an affordable beard trimmer that covers all the basics, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is a top contender. It offers versatile trimming options, quality engineering, and handy accessories. If you want great value without compromising performance, this Philips trimmer is a smart choice. The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 7000 is up next as the best value beard trimmer in 2024. For those seeking the closest shave possible from an electric razor, the Series 7000 delivers an exceptionally comfortable experience without compromise. This high-quality shaver features an advanced shaving system with V-Track precision blades that cut hair up to 30% closer than any of Philips' past models. The unique V-shaped channels guide hairs into the best cutting position while minimizing skin irritation. Adding to the closeness is a Contour Detect technology that allows the shaving head to make over 5,000 directional movements per minute. This automatically adjusts every curve of your face, neck, and jaw to catch even the most stubborn stubble. No matter how much hair you're working with, the Series 7000 powers through it efficiently. The shaver's intelligent sensing technology actually reads your beard density 500 times per second. Based on the thickness detected, the motor speed and power automatically adapt for optimized performance. This smart adjustment ensures a consistently close shave every time. To complement the advanced shaving system, the Series 7000 offers a luxe shaving experience. The shaver's all-metal construction provides durability with a premium feel. Features like a digital user interface and travel case add to the high-end aesthetics. For cordless convenience, the built-in lithium-ion battery delivers 60 minutes of use after a 1-hour charge. The shaver can also clean, lubricate, and charge itself through the included Smart Clean Plus system. This self-cleaning unit keeps the razor performing like new day after day. When evaluating electric razors, you can expect to pay more for smarter technology, premium design. But for guys who want the closest possible shave from a top-tier brand like Philips Norelco, the Shaver 7000 represents a worthwhile investment. If an exceptionally comfortable shave matters most, this thoughtfully engineered razor truly delivers. If you require the smoothest shave possible from an electric razor, the Braun Series 9 is the clear choice. This premium electric shaver stands at the apex of men's grooming technology, with innovative features engineered to deliver an unmatched shaving experience. The Braun Series 9 electric razor features a 4+1 shaver head, consisting of specialized foils and blades that work in concert to capture and cut hair with maximum efficiency. This intelligent shaving system automatically adapts to your facial contours while reading beard density 160 times per second. No matter your hair type, the Braun Series 9 customizes its approach for an ultra-close shave. With 100% waterproofing, the Braun Series 9 can be used wet with shaving gels and creams or conveniently rinsed clean under the faucet. take it right in the shower if desired. The 5-action shaver head effortlessly cuts through any medium while gently gliding over the skin for comfort. The Braun Series 9 also leverages sonic technology, enabling the shaving head to vibrate at 40,000 cross-cutting movements per minute. This rapid vibration ensures no hair evades the blades, even in hard-to-reach areas like the neck and jawline. While the upfront investment is higher than budget alternatives, the Braun Series 9 pays off in the long run with better performance, unmatched closeness, and premium build quality. For those seeking the closest and most comfortable electric shave, the Braun Series 9 stands in a class of its own. The Braun Series 9 is the product of years of research and innovation in electric shaver technology. German engineering has produced an exceptional shaving instrument optimized for effectiveness and skin comfort. The unique 4+1 shaver head includes Hyperlift trimmer, 2 Sensafoil blades, and an Optifoil blade. This variety captures different types of hairs simultaneously. With 100% waterproofing, the Braun Series 9 can be used for wet shaving in the shower with gels. It's also easy to clean under running water. The electric shaver can be hygienically cleaned, charged, lubricated, and dried at the touch of a button to keep it performing optimally. It has a powerful, long-lasting battery that provides up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving, even with a 1-minute quick charge. Thumbs up. The next product we'll talk about in our review list is the Wahl Lithium Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit, the runner-up Best Beard Trimmer in 2024. This cordless all-in-one trimmer is made in America with a sleek stainless steel body for superior durability. Equipped with a powerful lithium-ion battery, it offers improved runtime and consistent power versus previous Wahl models. The self-sharpening precision blades are crafted from high-quality steel to deliver elite performance shave after shave. 4 interchangeable heads provide a full range of trimming options. The wide T-blade neatly sculpts beards and mustaches, while the detailer creates precise lines and designs. The rotary ear and nose trimmer has a unique flushable design to keep the head hygienic. A dual foil shaver delivers an ultra-close shave on the face and neck. With a lithium-ion 2.0 plus battery, guys get up to 3.5 hours of runtime on a single charge. Minimal memory effect means it can sit for months between charges. The trimmer comes with 8 size-specific guards and 2 adjustable combs for unlimited cutting lengths. This versatile tool is made for travel with worldwide voltage compatibility. The lithium-ion battery complies with TSA standards for carry-on luggage. While the body shouldn't be rinsed, the blades can be detached and cleaned for easy maintenance. Guys who demand advanced grooming technology will appreciate the Wahl Lithium Ion All-in-One. It combines elite engineering with versatile trimming heads to craft the perfect beard, hair, and body trim at home. This rugged stainless steel trimmer is built to handle a man's grooming needs for years to come. With a sleek stainless steel body and finish, the Wahl Lithium Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit stands out as a top-rated beard trimmer in 2024. The cordless trimmer features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for improved power and longer runtime compared to older models. Precision self-sharpening blades ensure superior performance and durability over years of regular use. Wahl stands behind the grooming kit with a standard 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind to customers. The kit includes 4 different attachment heads to meet versatile grooming needs for beard, hair, nose, and ear trimming. It offers up to 3.5 hours of continuous operation per charge, enough for months of trims. Highly recommended. Introducing the gold medal winner for Best Beard Trimmer of 2024, the remarkable Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. As one of Wahl's most advanced and popular models, the Magic Clipper delivers professional-grade performance for barbers and stylists. The sleek yet robust design houses Wahl's most powerful pivot motor, which enables 9,000 cutting strokes per minute. This lightning-fast V9000 motor powers through all hair types and textures with ease. The high-precision 2161 blades represent the pinnacle of Wahl engineering. Made of refined Japanese stainless steel, the blades utilize a unique crunch technology that self-sharpens during use. This enables the blades to retain their factory sharpness for years of flawless cutting. A zero-overlap design prevents hair snagging or pulling for an ultra-smooth, even cut. The Cordless Magic Clip features a lithium-ion battery that runs for 90+ minutes on a single full charge. Thanks to the 5-minute quick charge function, you can achieve a complete 15-minute haircut even with a low battery. This reliable cordless flexibility makes the Magic Clip equally adept in shops or for mobile grooming. With 8 attachment combs ranging from 1/8 to 1 inch, the Magic Clip handles everything from short buzz cuts to longer styles. The adjustable taper lever provides added versatility for fades and tapering. A convenient thumbs-up switch allows for effortless transitions between cordless and corded use. The Magic Clip's smooth, contoured design fits comfortably in the hand for reduced fatigue over prolonged use. It's also lightweight at just 1.2 pounds. A heavy-duty aluminum housing ensures durability for years of daily use. From Wahl's commercial-grade motor to the custom 2161 blades, every aspect of the cordless Magic Clip is engineered for professional performance. It's no wonder this clip remains an essential tool for barbers worldwide. For power, precision, and reliability, the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is clearly the superior choice. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 beard trimmers in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.